Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Sketchbook app. To begin, simply open the application and you will see a blank canvas ready for your creativity. Take a moment to observe the interface. The main toolbar is usually at the top, offering quick access to essential functions. The brush palette and color editor are typically on the sides, providing immediate control over your artistic choices. Getting comfortable with this initial layout is your first step to creating amazing digital art. Now, let's dive into the drawing tools. Sketchbook offers an extensive library of over 190 customizable brushes, ranging from pencils to paint. You can easily adjust each brush's size, opacity, and other unique properties to achieve your desired effect. Don't forget to explore the predictive stroke feature, which smooths lines, and the various rulers and guides that help you draw perfect circles or straight lines with ease. Layers are fundamental for complex artwork. They allow you to separate elements of your drawing, making it easy to edit without affecting other parts. You can adjust a layer's opacity or experiment with different blending modes to create unique visual effects. The color editor provides a full spectrum of choices, including Copic colors, and you can even create custom palettes for consistent use across your projects. Once your masterpiece is complete, saving your work is crucial. Sketchbook automatically saves, but it's good practice to manually save often. You can export your art in several formats, such as PNG or PSD, which preserves layers for further editing in other software. Sharing your finished piece is simple, with options to send it directly to social media or email, showcasing your talent to the world.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.